Today, I'm down $34,000 and I'm a first-time crypto investor. Call me crazy, but I am not selling. I actually bought more. Put in $10,000 more in the last couple of days buying the dip. You have to buy the dip. I'm a firm believer that this is going to be a great opportunity for me to increase my wealth, and I'm not selling. When I started, I bought Bitcoin first, and then I bought Ethereum. I bought Polygon, bought Cardano, and then I bought a few other projects like Sandbox, Decentraland, and Luna. So right now, I have about maybe like 70 projects that I'm invested in. So I try to be cute and decided that, you know what, to hedge against the whole thing going belly up, I'm going to buy a bunch of different projects, different categories within the crypto industry, so I can hedge. Today's the bloodbath, but the good news though, I still have my Luna and Polygon are still going strong. I'm still up 50% on those two projects. I guess I wish hindsight being 2020 that I had bought more Luna and Polygon, then I'll be sitting pretty nice right now. And but at the same time, you can't really, there's about over 10,000 different projects in cryptocurrency. I can't buy them all, so I have to really study up and see which ones work best for my strategy. And my goal is basically to 2x my money in the next couple of years. So if I can 2x my money in the next couple of years, it would have been a huge success, because I know that I invest a lot in index fund, and usually if you invest in S&P 500, it takes about 7 years to double your money. So if I can do that in less than half of the amount of time, then that would be a huge success. Big question I have is, how long is this winter going to last? Is it going to be like in the past one that lasted, I believe, was over 3 years, or is it going to be a faster one? I guess the reason why I'm asking that is because I can't keep buying the dip for the next 3 years. First of all, I don't have the money to do it, but at the same time, I have to really strategize. I didn't really start investing into crypto to become a millionaire, even though I would love to be a millionaire at one point. But I just want to be able to, I guess, add another asset into my investment portfolio. And I know it's very volatile, and I understand the risk that I am taking. But at the same time, I've seen the rewards from other people who have invested earlier. Just a little anecdote. So I've invested over $80,000 now into crypto, and started investing in May, June of 2021. If I had invested in the same projects, I said about 90% of my portfolio is into the blue chip ones, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Terra, Luna, Sandbox. And if I had invested the bulk of my money actually in January 2021 instead of May, my portfolio will be over $1 million. So those kind of returns are just ridiculous, and that's what excites me about cryptocurrency, and that's why I want to keep going forward, because the opportunity is huge. And one thing that I want to share with you guys though is, don't invest money that you don't have, that you need right away. And that's one thing I learned a lot with investing in the stock market, is these $80,000, obviously a lot of money to me, represent a lot of money. But at the same time, if I lost it all, it would hurt, but it wouldn't really be a life-changing thing for me. So that's why, in a way, I invested as much as I thought I could invest without really affecting my other investments, if that makes any sense. So I want to hear what you guys think. What percentage do you have invested in the market? Right now, I guess I thought, when I first started, I really thought that I would do maybe a couple $1,000s, 5,000 max. And then when everything started going great, because I was buying into a bull market, and my portfolio went all the way up to 70%, I was like, wow, I got to put more money. So that's how I basically got crazy and then start investing more and more and more and more. So the 2,000 turned into $5, $10, $30,000, and that's why I'm up this much right now as far as the amount of money invested, because I kept doing it way too much instead of following my guts and buy when the market goes down, not when the market goes up. That's the big mistake I made, I feel, at the beginning, is I put too much money into the bull instead of waiting to buy the dip. Had I bought half of my investment now, I would really be putting myself in a good situation for when the market rebounds and everything start going up again, because I really truly feel that all the investment that I have in are into these blue chips that have a value and will not go anywhere. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is just my thoughts on the crypto industry, crypto in general. Like I said before, sharing my thoughts, and I want to hear your thoughts on how you guys decide to invest in what project and why. And I'll keep making videos documenting my journey, just to see how things are going. Am I going to succeed, or is this going to be a big mistake, because I could have put this money into a couple rental properties in the Midwest. And so I also have, I forgot to mention, but I do have rental properties, and so I firmly believe in real estate as well. And so when I had this money that was on the side, I was basically debating what I should do with it, and that's when I started studying up cryptocurrency and realized that this could be a good, even though volatile, opportunity for me to diversify my portfolio. So that's why I jumped in. One big question I ask myself is, obviously I've been into the whole crypto industry for the last 7 months now, actually 8 months. So what would I tell my old self, with all the knowledge that I've acquired in the last 8 months, to best invest into cryptocurrency? The one thing I would tell anybody is buy when the market goes down. Don't FOMO into it and then just buy because everybody else is buying. That's a mistake I made last year. Hindsight being 2020, I would have waited and bought the dip. Why? I truly believe that this is actually the perfect time for first-time investor to jump in, because everything is at a discount. All the top projects that I talked about earlier, all the blue chip projects, they're all at a discount right now. So if you ever thought in the last few months to jump into crypto, this is actually the best time to jump in, because you're buying everything at a discount. If you bought Bitcoin right now, it's at a discount. Ethereum is at a discount. All the big blue chip projects are at a discount right now. So I would highly recommend a first-time investor to jump in now and not wait, because this is a good time to buy, because you're buying at a cheap rate. One last topic I'd like to discuss is, where do you buy your crypto? Because what exchanges, because there's so many exchanges that you can use to buy crypto. I use Coinbase. That was the first one that I used, and then I switched to Coinbase Pro, which is the same company, but Coinbase Pro, what I like about it is that their fees are way cheaper than Coinbase and a bunch of other ones. And I also use Crypto.com. I use Voyager. I use Gate.io. I love all those. My top three would be Coinbase Pro, that I use a lot, and then I also use Voyager because they have no fees, and also you can earn interest with your projects, your coins that you have under Voyager. I like that a lot. And Gate.io. What I like about Gate.io is that if you want to invest in a smaller project, like in gaming or metaverse, those coins might not be on the big exchanges, but Gate.io has those on their platform. So you can buy a lot of these smaller up-and-coming projects. That's where I bought my Shiba, as an example. Meme coin, Shiba. I bought it on Gate.io. And yes, so those are my top three. And Thank you again for watching, and please comment below. And I don't mind any critiquing, by the way. If you have any good or bad comments that you want to make on this video, this is my first one, as I said before, so I can only get better. So any criticism is welcome, so I can get more videos out there, and it can be better quality than this first one. Thank you again for watching. Please do me a favor, like the video, subscribe below, so I can make more of these videos explaining my journey into cryptocurrency and personal finance. Thank you.